Fucking with TGs on these streets, nigga. Help me, Lord. Feel like Marvin Sapp, nigga. Nigga, I'm still on 4th Avenue in my trap. Half the shit I do, blood, it ain't my fault. I told you, my nigga, I'm doing it for Walt, DeRay, Young A, Perrion, Kern Phillip, that John, my nigga, Young Fruit, what it do? Rest in peace, Young Squeeze, and my nigga, Young B, Young Perk, blood. Still out here putting in work, nigga, I'm dirty. You feel me? I get my money late when it's early. If you're pulling up and come slide, nigga, don't do that shit on the flyways and trying to hide, nigga. 4th Ave Red Mafia, blood. Blowing, smoking, choking. Using niggas like tokens at Chuck E. Cheese, nigga. Don't be playing with these G's on these streets, nigga. And if you want that cheese, nigga, don't act like you no rat, nigga. Have me come out my trap, nigga. Smack your ass with a bat, nigga. Like Al Capone, Untouchables, leave you on that table. Direct TV your ass and keep you like cable, you feel me? Talking to the mic, what you like, nigga? Oh, on these nights, $200 things, nigga, on mamas. And I ain't with that drama, nigga. 4th Ave Red Mafia, nigga.